So, Akhil, let's start with the way corporates traditionally manage litigation. How did the landscape actually look like?
So basically, they manage their litigation through phone calls, through WhatsApp, through Excel sheets. So with my experience, what I have noticed, some corporates, going through emails, right? So they are managing their litigation through emails. So or in the physical papers as well, right? So there are bundle of papers that are being, incorporated into their offices, right? So managing their litigation, like totally traditionally, they are working right now.
Okay.
When I can tell you a use case, so how the advocates of that particular corporate, right, how they are managing the litigation. For example, you are having a case, and I'm your advocate. I will be just calling you, and I will be sending you the updates of this. So now this is the update, or in the WhatsApp group,
Okay.
or I can send the email as well. Yeah. So this is how they are managing their litigation currently.
So, the problems and challenges that you've mentioned, it's not just going to hit one department.
Correct.
Depending upon the role, whether it's a legal head, compliance, ho gaya, finance, operations,
Right.
the impact is going to vary.
Correct.
So, can you break that down for us?
Sure, I can do that as well. So let's start with the upper management hierarchy.
Okay.
So let's go with the legal head. So for example, if I am a legal head, मेरा एक case, मेरे cases हैं, you can say about 1 lakh cases or 2 lakh cases, right? So currently हम लोग कैसे कर रहे हैं, या जो corporates है वो कैसे कर रहे हैं? So they don't have the visibility of like हर एक जो large corporates होते हैं, they have their zonal heads and zonal areas across the country, right? Like in Chandigarh or in Delhi. तो हर एक जोन में कितने केसेस हैं, या कितने पेंडिंग हो चुके हैं, कितने डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ हो चुके हैं. तो यू जस्ट इमेजिन यू आर कैरिंग एन एक्सेल शीट having 2 lakh rows on it. So can you see that? No, you can. आप उसको monitor नहीं कर सकते. You cannot monitor that. आपको अगर किसी एक केस के बारे में देखना है, आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे नहीं जाओगे, राइट? आप वहां पे सर्च नहीं करोगे, तो विजिबिलिटी तो आपको केसेस की कुछ है ही नहीं है, राइट? एंड द नेक्स्ट वी कैन गो विद द फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट एज वेल, राइट? सो what exactly with my experience, the finance department को they have to raise some invoices to advocates as well.
Okay.
तो advocates को जो जो invoices raise होते हैं, first invoice I guess raise across like first hearing में 50% invoice raise होता है with my experience. It can vary. तो invoices भी offline बनते हैं, right? So they have to go into the Excel, search about that case कि उसकी first hearing date कब लगी थी. Then date के basis पे वो एक और next माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड या किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म किसी और टूल में जाते हैं, एंड उस टूल में जाके व्हाट दे डू, दे एक्चुअली जनरेट सम इनवॉइसेस, राइट? तो कोई रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स होंगे तो उसमें जाके वो लिखते हैं. अगेन वो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. अगर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, आपके जो लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होते हैं उनकी दिन की आई गेस 1000+ हेयरिंग्स होती हैं, राइट? अगर फर्स्ट हेयरिंग है 1000+ हेयरिंग, तो आपको इनवॉइसेस जनरेट करने हैं, 5000 इनवॉइसेस जनरेट करने हैं, लाख जनरेट करने हैं. तो एक एक करके डिफरेंट टूल्स में जाना बहुत, इट इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. देन नेक्स्ट वी कैन गो विद द, यू कैन से एडवोकेट्स एज वेल. लेट्स गो विद एडवोकेट्स. सो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक एडवोकेट हूँ एंड मेरे केस में हियरिंग है, राइट? और मेरे को इस पर्टिकुलर एंटरप्राइजेस के अगर टोटल 1 लाख केसेस हैं, तो उसमें से 20,000 केसेस मुझे असाइंड है. So अगर मैं किसी हेयरिंग में जा रहा हूँ, what I have to do, I have to prepare that case, right? So अभी ट्रेडिशनली क्या होता है कि they are again going into the Excel, या अपने डेस्कटॉप में जाएंगे, फोल्डर्स पे एक फोल्डर बनाया होगा ड्राइव के अंदर है, उसके अंदर एक एक करके जाके उसकी फाइल्स को देखेंगे एंड वो सब रीड आउट करेंगे. तो दैट टेक्स ह्यूज. सो उनको अगर उनकी हियरिंग किसी केस की है, राइट, तो उनको अपने असिस्टेंट हायर करने पड़ते हैं कि हाँ केस पढ़िएगा, फिर मुझे ब्रीफ करिएगा, राइट? तो दिस इज हाउ इट गोज एक्चुअली, राइट? एंड सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज गोइंग. सो इट टेक्स लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ कॉस्ट and time as well,
and resources also.
Yeah, of course, resources as well. So other than this, compliance as well. So किस केस में कितना compliance department को actually track करना होता है, like whether it is compliant or not. So it is also not being in traditional systems, it is not being done right now. So this is how it works.
That actually sounds very very taxing, not just for one department. ये तो मतलब जितने multiple departments हैं, sounds very taxing for all of them.
Right.
So what is the solution or the product that Jupitice has built for the corporates, and does it really address all the pain points जो आपने अभी mention करे हैं?
Yeah, of course covers all the pain points. Even more than that is very right. जो अभी तक किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं हुआ, right? So we have developed a litigation ERP for all the corporates.
Okay.
So when I say developed, actually we haven't developed. So you might be thinking like we haven't developed. So let me just explain you this thing. So we as a Jupitice has a foundational digital platform.
Okay.
So when I say a foundational digital platform, what that exactly means कि हमने फाउंडेशन लेवल पे एक प्रोडक्ट बिल्डअप किया है जिसके बेसिस पे आप मल्टीपल ERPs खड़े कर सकते हो.
What exactly is ERP?
So ERP is enterprise resource planning.
Okay.
So we can create multiple ERP based products with this foundational digital platform. And the beauty about it, you don't have to write the code. When I say write the code, the involvement of the software engineer is least. So if currently I have a corporate, like 5 corporates right now, and they want to develop their own litigation ERP on their own, conditions, so we can do that as well. उसके लिए हमें सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. They can, we have a builder level thinking. So when I say builder level thinking, what that means, just like a Lego like building blocks.
Okay.
You just have to assemble them in a single structure.
So basically accessible हर इंसान के लिए.
Right, right.
Someone who's tech savvy.
Yeah, correct. Someone who's tech savvy, right? And we provide the training as well. So
Okay.
they can create their own forms with our form builders. They can, we call an engine name as a blueprint engine. We call it, in a layman language, we can call it a workflow engine. Okay. So you can create your own workflows. You can, we have a role-based access system. So which role needs to access what exactly? So you can create your own product. So coming back to the litigation ERP, so what actually we are resolving it, starting from the, you can say case tracking till the final closure. Everything is done online. Whether that is a case filing, so we fetch you can have all the case updates, whether that is from the district court or Supreme Court. अगर high court में case लगा है, consumer forum में लगा है, right? So you can have all the updates of that, and you can assign the advocates as well. So starting from the case filing till the final closure, everything can be managed in a one single ERP, that is a litigation management ERP.